Guys, today I want to show you how to unfold the surfaces into the XY plane without software inside Solidworks. So, and this is actually a double culture surface you see here, and you can unfold the two surfaces here together and treat the two surfaces as if a single surface and unfold on the XY plane without software inside the Solidworks. So after you download the software install into your machine, then you have to register your software into the Solidworks here. There's a detailed steps in the user guide. So and then you can just you see here there's unfold, and there's three commands here: unfold surface and flatten rule surface, unfold gap surface. So for this kind of shape, that we should use then the gap surface, because then there's a big penetration inside between these two surfaces. So and there's a big gap between the two surfaces. So and then you just use unfold gap surface. It's very simple to use. So just click here and then hold the shift key and then click another surface to make a selection, and then you have select the two surfaces and then just click OK, and then it should unfold, give you the unfold results into the XY plane here. So and this is yeah, they should be quick, and then you can see then this is actually then the result here. So just show you different view orientation, and we go this one here, and then you just can see that this is actually the shape here you want, and this moment here this is actually the shape. There's another one here, see here, this is actually the one that this is actually a very good result, and then should be very accurate here, because the surface is quite close to the flat surface, but this is actually and then you can just fit this one to the NC machine, and this is actually the result here. Certainly you can just unfold each individual surface. I just make a quick demo here, so we can just use tool here to unfold the single surface here, and then this is actually it's very easy here, and to unfold this kind of surface, and then you can just unfold them separately. It's up to you here. So and just a moment here, I want to show you another option here. So there's an option here, unfold the inner boundaries here. For in this case we don't need that here, but if you want you can just show the inner boundary, unfold the inner boundary as well. And that's for today. If you have any question, please let me know. Thank you. Bye.